to Science Fun for Kids. Today it was a very hot day, so this experiment will be perfect for this very hot day. It's called balloon splashing water. The things that you need are a bottle, a balloon, and some water. I can say that this is a continuation of the previous experiment. If you want to get a clear idea, please go check out the previous experiment. But we're just using some water. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is put the balloon inside, and we're going to attach it to the mouth of the bottle. The balloon is attached to the bottle. Let's blow it. I can't blow the balloon. Oh yeah, I remember. There's already air pressure inside the bottle. That's why it's not inflating. What will we need to do? Oh yeah, we need to make a hole. But I think I already made a hole. Oh yeah, I was blocking the hole. Okay, well, let's not block the hole anymore. Now let's blow the balloon. Now we're done. Now we're going to pour some water. Okay, nothing is happening. Blast on me! Oh my God! Oh, what? The water splashed on me? Well, that's okay because it's very hot out here. Do you want to know how it works? Let's find out. After I was done inflating the balloon, I put my finger on this hole. So it was at the same way I inflated it, but I added water inside the balloon. When I took my finger out, the air from outside came into the bottle, making the balloon deflate. So it splashed all over me. Well, thanks, air pressure. That was really nice of you because it's a really hot day. Remember, science today is technology tomorrow. So learn science in a fun way. And the best way to learn science in a fun way is watching our videos. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science Fun for Kids. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll get notified when I upload a video. Thank you, and Nandri.